Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jihan Sabila, number 180503017 of Accounting of Economic and Business North Sumatra Universitas. Here, I want to explain about Chapter 13, the expenditure cycle, purchasing to cash and disbursement. The expenditure cycle is a recurring set of business activities and related information processing operation associated with the purchase and payment for goods and services. The four basic expenditure cycle activities: 1. Ordering materials, supplies, and services. 2. Receiving materials, supplies, and services. 3. Approving supplier invoice. 4. Cash disbursement. Major traits in the expenditure cycle and various control procedures for dealing with those traits. General issues throughout entire expenditure cycle. 1. Inaccurate or invalid master data. The solution is data processing integrity controls, restriction of access to master data, review of all changes to master data. 2. Unauthorized disclosure of sensitive information. The solution is access controls and encryption. 3. Loss or destruction of data. The solution is backup and disaster recovery procedures. And the last, poor performance. The solution is managerial reports. Ordering activities. The threat is for 1. Access and lack of inventory. The solution is perpetual inventory system, barcoding or RFID tags, and periodic physical counts of inventory. 2. Perpetual item not needed. The solution is perpetual inventory system, review and approval of purchase requisition, and the last, centralized purchasing function. 3. Purchasing at inflated prices. The solution is price list, competitive bidding, review of purchase order, and budget. Purchasing goods of inferior quality. The solution is purchasing only from approved supplier, review and approval of purchases from a new supplier, holding purchasing manager responsible for network and scrap costs, tracking and monitoring product quality by supplier. Unreliable supplier is the solution is requiring supplier to possess quality certification, collecting and monitoring supplier delivery and performance data. 6. Purchasing from an authorized supplier. The solution is maintaining a list of approved supplier and configuring the system to permit purchase orders only to approved supplier. Review and approval of purchases from a new supplier, and specific control, assess, review of orders, encryption, and policy. 7. Kickbacks. The solution is prohibit acceptance of gifts from supplier, job rotation and mandatory vacation, requiring purchasing agents to disclose financial and personal interest in supplier, and the last, supplier audit. Receiving. There are four threats of receiving. 1. Accepting an ordered items. The solution is requiring existence of approved purchase order prior to accepting any delivery. 2. Mistakes in accounting. The solution is do not inform receiving employees about quantity order. Require receiving employees to sign receiving report. Incentives. Use barcodes and RFID tags. 3. Verifying receipt of service. The solution is budget control and audit. 4. Theft of inventory. Restriction of physical access to inventory. Documentation of all transfer of inventory between receiving and inventory employees. Periodic fiscal counts of inventory and reconciliation to recorded quantities. Segregation of duties, custody of inventory versus receiving. Approving supplier invoice. There are two threads of this section. One, errors in supplier's invoice. The solution is verification of invoice accuracy. Two, requiring detailed receipt for Postman card and purchase. ERAs. Restriction of access to supplier master data. Two, mistakes in posting to account payable. The solution is data entry edit controls, reconciliation of detail accounts payable records with the general ledger control account. Cash disbursement. There are 6 threads of cash disbursement. One, failure to take advance of discount for prompt payments. The solution is filling of invoice by due date for discount. Cash flow budgets. Two, paying for items not received. The solution is requiring that all supplier invoice be matched to supporting documents, budgets for service, requiring receipt for travel expense, and the last, use of corporate credit cards for travel expenses. Three, duplicate payments. The solution is requiring a complete voucher package for all payments. Two, policy to pay only from original copies of supplier invoice. And the last, canceling all supporting documents when payment is made. 4, theft of cash. So many more the threat of theft of cash, but I give example. 1, access control to EFT terminals. 2, use of dedicated computer and browser for online banking. And 3, separation of check writing function for accounts payable. 5, check alteration. The solution is check protection machines. 2, use of special links and papers. And the last, positive pay arrangement with banks. Cash flow problems. The solution is cash flow budget. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can comment at my YouTube channel and find me at Jihan Sabila and di YouTube. Dadah. Thank you.